In this video, we will learn surface creation tools by using curves. So first I create a curve. Make some changes like this. I make a heart type shape. If you want to close these points, you can use open close tool like this. And if you want to go to component mode, you can also use these buttons. This for component mode, and select vertices and shift, and it's for object mode. Okay, so I create a little bit similar to heart shape, and I want to convert this shape as the planar. So I choose surface planar tool. These are very basic settings related to smoothness. So I just apply from menu. If surface color is black, I have to reverse direction by using reverse direction tool, and I open outliner window. So it's a curve that we create, and if we want to edit, just to component mode and select these vertex and make changes. So we can also make changes in the shape after creation method if changes is required. Just to object mode. It's a first example of this tool. We create a closed curve and then apply tool from menu. Now we create a circle shape, create a big circle, and then Ctrl D for duplicate and scale down like this. Duplicate again and make it smaller like this. Deselect all and select all these circles, and then apply surface planar tool. We need to reverse direction. First select this surface, reverse direction. So we draw three circles. By using these circles, this type shape will create. If I select any shape and then go to control vertices by using right click menu and then select these points, so we show a planar, and by using planar tool, this plane, trim, and outside area of this curve hide. So planar tool create a mask based on this curve shape. Same as in this shape, I select and then control vertices. So same type of plane is here, and these area are hide by using circle shapes. Let's take another example. We create simple intersecting lines. If you want to repeat last use tool, press G. Last tool will activate. So I create 4 intersecting lines. Then I select all these lines. Then go to surface, planar, reverse direction, change pivot position. So press D and move in the center. Press D key again. So in this case, the planar create inside the intersecting lines. These are very precise. I select this intersect line and try to make changes. Go to component mode. I select this vertex and try to move up or down. So this surface will disappear if any changes we do in these curves. So we can't make any changes in the curve. So it was a second example. In this example, we choose some intersecting lines, and after creation of this surface we try to make change, but changes will not apply on the surface will disappear when we try to change. And another similar tool to creation this type of surface that called boundary tool. If I select these lines and make duplicate by Ctrl T and move outside, and then go to surface menu and choose boundary. So boundary creates similar type of surface, but boundary tool is not precise. It go outside of these intersecting lines. But in this case, if you make any changes in these curves, the surface also reflect these changes. So boundary tool is similar, but you can make any changes after creation method, but boundary tool not so precise that are planar tool. One more difference in planar and boundary tool is if I create some freeform lines like this. Now I need to snap these points, so press C and hover the mouse on the curve and click and drag. So this point snap on this curve. Press C and just snap this curve like this. Again press C and snap this point on the curve like this. Now go to perspective viewport, select this curve and activate component mode. And if you want to make curve shape like this, planar tool will not apply this type of shape, but boundary tool can work on this type of curve. I choose surface and boundary, select this surface, first deselect and select, and then go to surface and reverse direction. If you want to make this pivot center, go to modify center pivot, or now you want to make any changes in these curves, select curve, component move and select, or you can change. So it's a difference between planar tool and boundary tool. Boundary tool is more freeform but not so precise. You have to create these curve very precise. If you want to make precise surface, you have to draw these curve very precise, and then you can get that type of project. But it's very freeform. Or planar tool is not so freeform. It's only need straight lines, not like these curve lines. And a third, another similar tool is square tool. I select these intersecting lines and make duplicate copy by Ctrl D and move a little bit outside. Then go to surface and square. So it's also create this type of surface. Go to modify center pivot. Similar as planar tool, I try to make any changes in this curve, so it's also disappear. But square tool is more precise as planar tool, not like boundary tool. So these are surface creation tools that use simple intersecting lines or closed shape to create a surface. Try these tools and make some creative shapes.